In today's video, let us try to discuss about the most common mistakes which students do in their exam, particularly in the biology exam. Okay, what are all the common mistakes that they have to avoid? See, not writing the keywords. Always remember that keywords are very important and they will fetch the marks. If you are not writing keywords, suppose, okay, what is the way by which plants prepare their food? You have to write photosynthesis there. Okay, what is the process by which energy is derived by the organisms? You have to write respiration. So instead of that, if you write breathing, or instead of photosynthesis, if you are writing plants prepare their food from sunlight, etc., normal terms if you write, you are not going to get your marks. So the first thing is not writing keywords is a mistake that you should avoid. Next is diagram without labels. So whenever a diagram is asked for, you have to draw the diagram perfectly as I told you, and that too within the box. One side labeling, all labelings should be perfect. If you are skipping off the labels, then you are sure to lose your marks. Half mark is cut for each of the label. So do take care of that. Next is elaborative answers for short answer questions. So when the question is for 1 mark or 2 marks, you are expected to write 1 point or 2 points for your question. And that should be precise and it should not be elaborative at all. As I already told you, they should be in bullet points and not more than that. For 1 mark, only 1 point. For 2 marks, just 2 points with the keywords. Next is not using biological terms. So keywords, as I said you, like photosynthesis or respiration, all these are the biological terms. These terms has to be written, and in spite of that, if you are using the common terminology, you are not going to get your marks. So use your biology terms and do underline these terms, okay, which are very, very important in the answer. Ignoring diagrams when optional. So, okay, there should be a wise choice between the questions. Suppose, okay, you have a choice between a diagram question and a normal essay type of question. So your choice should be for the diagram question, because in diagram, okay, if 3 labels you have to give, if okay, or 4 labels, let us suppose, and if you know 3 labels out of it, you are going to get your 3 marks. Whereas if you attempt a theory question, though you write as many points, whatever you know in much detail also, still you are not going to get the marks what you will get in the diagram based question. So always go for the diagram. Usually nowadays in the exam, they are just giving the diagram and asking you to label some parts. If you are given a question like that, do pick up such type of questions for getting good marks. Okay, so avoid ignoring the diagram based questions. So do take up such type of questions. Then untidy presentation. Obviously nobody likes untidiness. Some students, they start with the answer, they cut off the answer, again they start writing something. So I already told you that you have to be very clear in your presentation, because always a smart presentation wins rather than hard work. So hard work and smart presentation is a double bonanza. But okay, also you should be able to always have a smart presentation of your answer sheet. So avoid all these mistakes and try to write your exams well. All the very best for your coming up exams. I hope all of you will be very successful.